Welcome to the brush tutorial. Brush is a very old move. In brush, you take one card, toss it out, and instead of catching it with your bare hands, you sort of hit it back up into the air. It's a very impressive move to layman and very fun to do. Let's get down to learning it. Brush. To do brush, you need to understand one card aerials. There are two basic ways a card can fly through the air or is being spun like this. The first way is clockwise, the second way is anti-clockwise. This direction is very important when you're trying to learn brush. From School of Cardistry, we have taught you two basic ways to do card shots. The first one is long distance spinner, and the second one is flick. These two ways of shooting a card, when done in your right hand, cause the cards to fly out in front of you clockwise. To execute brush, what you have to do is follow the direction the card is spinning and hit it along that direction and upwards. So for example, you do a long distance spinner, boom, the card flies out and it comes back. You want to move your palm along the bottom edge of the card and hit it around the corner. This might seem like a very difficult thing to aim for, but that's not true. In fact, unless you hit the deck like this or like this, chances are you will always get a corner. So all you need to do is slice your hand along the direction of the cards like this as it spins and comes towards your hand, and it will fly back upwards. When practicing this move, you may find that your cards fly this way or that way. To counter this problem, you'll want to adjust the amount of upward push you give the card. You will also want to experiment with different speeds of slicing your hand. Brush is a very versatile move. You can do it with the back of your hand, like so, or even your elbow, just like that. Feel free to experiment with different body parts, different ways of hitting it, or even using cards to hit the cards instead of using your body, and all sorts of different combinations. Hello you, how are you doing? As you may be able to tell, Season 7 of School of Cardistry is almost done. Most of the tutorials are up and then we only have a few more to go. In the time that we've been gone, we've actually been working really hard on our next season. For Season 8, the New Deck Order and School of Cardistry will be working with many of the world's most renowned cardists. This includes Dimitri and Ladislas from Cardistry Touch, Nicolas Supertramp from OBAC Studios, and more. Of course, this also means that the New Deck Order is working on new cards for Season 8, so look forward to that. The upcoming tutorials in Season 8 wouldn't be possible without our Patreon backers. So shoutouts to Manaki Thibault, Joel Almeida, Jack Liu, Sebastian Gopoxiu, Andreas Gar, 301 Cardistry, Troy Howell, Feng Nguyen, Kevin Ho, and all our other awesome Patreon backers. Thank you guys so much for the support. And of course to you guys for watching our tutorials. Until next time.